Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson, we'll be drawing Ned Flanders from The Simpsons. So we start along the top right side of our page with the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left from the very top. Go all the way around toward the bottom of the eye and curl that back up toward the top. Now from here, we're going to layer the nose over on the right side. So we'll start right here, go out, round out the nose, and then bend that in towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top and layer the right eye in behind. So we're going to start right in the center. Go up toward the same height, around and then in toward the tip of the nose. Just add a black dot in the center of the right eye for the pupil. Now on the left side, we're going to step over and do that again. Let's tuck the mustache in underneath. Starting from the left side of the nose, bend this across and then down. Go to the right, go out, then down. Connect the ends with a curve. Now I want to add some texture across the mustache, with these little curves going across the middle. Let's go over towards the left side. We're going to draw the mouth. We're going to go out and up, around the mouth, and come in across towards the center. Step over, bend the edge of the mouth. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw the tongue. Start with one curve coming down, step back, draw that again, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's move over, draw the edge of the mouth coming around, round up the lip, and then pull that in. Let's go back up to the top of the eye, bend the brow, coming around and then in, bend the forehead going up toward the top, and round up the top of the edge of the hair going across and then down. Let's work our way down along the side, and then in, around the bottom of the sideburn. And I'm just going to bend this up. Let's go to the side of the left eye, draw a straight line going across the sideburn, and then from here, draw a half circle for the ear, coming around and then in. Let's add a fold across the top, and we're going to bend the neck, coming in and then down towards the collar. Let's go back up underneath the lip, draw a straight line coming down towards the same height, close off the bottom with a curve. Now I'm going to go back and draw in the hair. Let's start from the forehead, bend this around and then up, curve this across the top, and then down towards the left. I'm going to work our way around the ear. Bend this around and then down, and then curl that in toward the side of the neck. Let's go back and add some texture inside the hair. Start from this point, and this up and then out, then add a few more, working our way across towards the right. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. Start from the corner of the neck, bend this out and then down. On the left side, bend this across and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Bend this up and in towards the center point. And from the bottom, add a curve in the center, and add some texture right in the middle. Let's go back to the bottom left side of the collar, curve the shoulder coming down towards the arm, around the base of the arm, and then out. Now I want to continue this curve going out towards the elbow, bend the arm, coming around and then up towards the wrist. Let's curve the wrist, coming in, round this out, coming down towards the elbow. Now I'm going to go back up to the top of the shoulder, bend the arm coming in behind. Let's separate the cuff with another curve. Now when you go back up to the top, draw the thumb. Bend this in, round the thumb, and then come down. Let's go all the way over towards the left side. Bend the first finger going out, round up the finger, bend that in. Let's add another finger, going up and out, round the finger, come down and in. Let's add one more finger going up, round this out, coming down, and curve this in towards the side of the thumb. Let's go back to the cuff and add the edge of the palm. Now I'm going to go underneath the arm, curve the body, going out and then down towards the hip. Let's go over towards the right side of the collar, curve this around the chest, add another bump, going around the belly, and then in towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. We're going to go back up to the top of the collar. We're going to bend the arm, going out and then down towards the elbow. Then bring the arm in towards the hip. And step up, draw the top of the forearm, bend this out. Step in, curve the arm in towards the body. Now let's add that trim across the hips. We're going to draw 2 straight lines coming down. And follow that same curve going out across. Now from here, we're going to draw the outside of the legs. Let's start from the hip. Then it's out and then down towards the ankle. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's round out the bottom of the pant. Coming down and then up. Now over on the left side, on the inside leg, we're going to bend this up and then in to right about there. Curve this across. Go down towards the right leg and tuck this up underneath. Now I want to tuck the feet in underneath the pant. Let's start from the ankle, curve this in and then down towards the heel on both sides. Let's flatten off the heel, come straight up with a short line. Now I'm going to round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the left, then it's down and then out towards the toe. And then curve the foot, going up and then in toward the outside of the cuff. Now I switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the shoes. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Ned Flanders from The Simpsons. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.